picking up slot machines. This is only the second time that I've picked up slot machines. When Rob and I were doing teams, we picked up a bunch of them in Las Vegas one time. That was a really fun trip because we got to spend like a whole night there. And then we took those to Gun Lake Casino in Grand Rapids, Michigan, basically, kind of Grand Rapids, south of there. Hangovers! Horse!
I sent it to a text.
Baby, run away with me. You kill the lonely. You make my eyes not see all the crazy. You make my heart believe. Oh, baby, run away with me. Don't leave me lonely. You make my eyes not see all the crazy. You make my heart believe. You make my heart believe. Run
staying at the TA in Montgomery, Alabama. It's not too bad. Only complaint I have really is they don't have a restaurant. The restaurant closed down, but luckily it's a pretty big area, so you can just like DoorDash or Uber Eats. Go for a walk? You ready? First time I ever went to Florida, I was walking puppers and I didn't notice I had stepped on this little mound of sand, and I was just standing there watching puppers, and all of a sudden something bit me, and I looked down and my legs were covered with these little red ants. They bite freaking hard. I quickly walked back to the truck and I was like swatting these little ants off my leg. I had like 4 or 5 really bad bites on my legs. They swelled up and they got all pussy, and I still have scars on my legs from these ants. So if you've never been down in the south, you have to really watch where you're stepping, because these mounds are everywhere, and if you just like tap on it with your foot, hundreds of these red, I guess you call them fire ants, will come out and will attack you. So be careful if you're down in the south.
As I look for a better way to get through
This is what I am going to have to do after the 2 trucks that are in front of me. Back in off this busy street into that little dock over there. I don't even think, I'm pretty sure the front end of the truck is going to be sticking all the way out into the street. It's lovely. Lovely. See all these cars going around him still. Making his job difficult. That's how far my truck is going to be in the middle of the road when it's my turn to get unloaded. That's insane. Big truck should not be delivering here. It should be just a short truck. That's crazy. When I was waiting for my turn to get unloaded, I saw this really cool lizard. Well, we did it. We're in the middle of the road. This car's coming. Not a good place to back in at. It's gonna be close when those big trucks come around here. Why do they gotta park those cars there? That's crazy. Jeez. Well, we got all unloaded. Now we're heading to pick up south of Miami with a 10-stop load going to Georgia and South Carolina.
Turn right at the traffic light, then take the second right.